kids, welcome back to Desi Kids Club, the fun place to learn and grow. Are you ready to learn the alphabet from A to Z? A is for apple, B is for bird, C is for cat, D is for dolphin, E is for earth, F is for frog, G is for giraffe, H is for heart, I is for ice cream, J is for juice, K is for key, L is for leaf, M is for mouse, N is for notebook, O is for owl, P is for pig, Q is for queen, R is for ring, S is for sun, T is for tree, U is for umbrella, V is for violin, W is for watermelon, X is for xylophone, Y is for yacht, Z is for zebra.